Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to set up Binance Futures Grid trading bot. Now, for this bot to work, you will need to make sure to move your funds from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. So let's go to wallet here. Let's go to overview. And you can also go to fiat and spot as well. Maybe it's easier that way. And then you can go here to transfer and make sure to transfer from fiat and spot, or maybe from your funding wallet if you have some money from your funding wallet, to your USD futures here. Now, once you transfer your coin that you want to trade, obviously, then we will go here to trade and we'll go to strategy trading. Now, once we're on strategy trading, what you can also do is you can see all the strategy pools right here. Once they will basically load up right here, as you can see. You have spot grid, you have futures grid right here. So you already have futures grid bots that you can use or pools that you can use. I would definitely advise you, not to use it. You can try them, but again, it's at your own risk. You can click here, create strategy, and then we can go, instead of spot grid, we already did tutorial on that, we can go to futures grid. So we can click create here. And yeah, basically right here, we're on futures grid. As you can see now here, Binance will basically give us welcome to futures grid, all the good stuff right now. Again, before going and trading, make sure you're picking more pairs, and most of the bots will make profits, but make sure to be safe with your money and investments, right? So pick a coin that you're confident in, right? That you know how to trade in, and yeah, that will basically make sure that you don't lose any money. So right now we can go to manual here on the right side of the screen. We can click neutral if we want to short a term trade, or long if we want to long-term trade. Short is great for bear markets, right? If it's not a good market, then make sure to put short, right? But neutral is the best, I think, right? Because with neutral, it will be always neutral, and I think that's the best way to go for it. So yeah, you can click neutral if you want to short-term trade, and then you can click on geometric interval. I think that is the best. You can also adjust these to make sure it's isolated. Now, I would advise you to really read what this means, right? This is a margin mode. Now, isolated is what I would recommend without going too deep into this right here. Isolated is what I'm going to be using for these tutorials. So you can confirm. And then for the leverage, you can adjust leverage right here. The more leverage you have, the less money you will need, but the less leverage you have, the more money you will need. So let's say we put at 20x, right? We'll put that here. And then as you can see, selecting high leverage increases your liquidation risk as well. So make sure to also adjust that by your risk tolerance. So click confirm. Here we can put the lower price. So for example, we can pick a lower price and an upper price that we're confident to trade with. So let's say we're going to trade with a coin that we're really know, and let's say that coin is, for example, XRP. So we can click XRP USD right here. So the lowest for the XRP was, what is it, 0.28, and the highest was 0.91. So we can do is put the lower price at 0.25, or I would say 20 or 30 actually, which is this right here. It's really close 30, and then upper price would be 0.90. So these are basically the lowest and the highest price. That grids are basically all the price movement or price change. So for example, if we put 150 grids, as you can see, you will get good amount of percentage. If we put lower grids, our percentage will basically grow, and this is percentage and profits with fees deducted, as you can see. So as you can see, let's put 50, and then as you can see here, you will be able to put the amount you want to trade. So if we put here the amount, we will see that, as you can see, we have insufficient USDT balance. We have minimum USD investment required to run this grid strategy is 26.9. So let's say we put 26.9 here. We don't have that money right here, but you can also, go here and you can pretty much put the XRPs. But yeah, basically, this price will change depending on many factors. So let's say we have here adjust leverage. Let's say we lower the leverage to 6. Let's say we click confirm. Let's say we put 150 grids, And as you can see, it went from 26, or what is it, 29 to 263. So this is what changes the price, right? So let's say we put here 263, right, 0.67. If we want to change it again, we can lower the grids, it will lower the price, right? If we go to the adjust leverage, if we put a lot of leverage here, we can confirm, and then it will lower the price. As you can see, if we put lower leverage, we will higher the price, right? So as you can see right here, it will be the higher price, right? So this is basically how to do it. So as you can see, you can set up the leverage cross or isolated. As I said, isolated is usually the safest pick, and then you can adjust leverage and everything right here. And obviously the more leverage, as I said, the less money you need to invest. Now here you can click create, and make sure when you're creating these bots that you know what you're doing. You actually know that you're setting up a futures bot and not a spot grid bot, right? And that you know what you're doing. So make sure to take this at your own risk. And yeah, if you have any questions regarding this, comment down below and I'll help you out with anything regarding this video tutorial. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.